Courage, above all things, is the first quality of a warrior. Pursue one great decisive aim with force and determination. If the leader is filled with high ambition, and if he pursues his aims with audacity and strength of will, he will reach them in spite of all obstacles. Although our intellect always longs for clarity and certainty, our nature often finds uncertainty fascinating. Never forget that no military leader has ever become great without audacity. The political object is the goal, war is the means of reaching it, and the means can never be considered in isolation from their purposes. War is not merely a political act, but a real political instrument, a continuation of political intercourse, a carrying out of the same by other means. Everything in war is very simple, but the simplest thing is difficult. To secure peace is to prepare for war. All action takes place, so to speak, in a kind of twilight, which, like a fog or moonlight, often tends to make things seem grotesque and larger than they really are. A conqueror is always a lover of peace. Principles and rules are intended to provide a thinking man with a frame of reference. War is the province of danger. War is not an exercise of the will directed at an inanimate matter. War is the domain of physical exertion and suffering.